Now let's see in the exercise 14.4, the following distribution gives the daily income of the 50 worker of a factory. So now convert the distribution above to less than type cumulative frequency distribution and draw its ogive. So now let's see. Now in the if we want to draw in the less than form, so it is a less than 120, less than 140, less than 160, and the less than 180, less than 200. So now first of all find the cumulative frequency. Now the cumulative frequency for the less than 120 is the 12. Now the less than 140 is the 26, less than 160 is 34, less than 180 is 40, and the less than 200 is a 50. Now draw the graph. Graph means the ogive. Ogive is the cumulative frequency. Let's see. Now I have done. Now in the graph. Now let's see. Now in this graph, I have used this king sign. Now this sign is called the king sign because the difference. Now the initial starting with the 120. So 0 to 120 value. How can we represent? So this sign is used for this. This is a king sign. Now the less than 120 is 12. Now less than 140 is 26. Now less than 160 is 34. Now less than 180 is 40. Now less than 200 is 50. Now I have joined this graph. Now it is a continuously increasing. So continuously increasing means this is it is a ogive curve. Now so comes on the second question. Now let's see. In this question, the examiner asked you the medical checkup of the 35 student of a class. Now draw a less than type ogive for the given data. Now first of all draw the less than type of the ogive. Now hence obtain the median weight from the graph. Verify the result by using the formula. So now for if we want to calculate the median by the graph, so we need to draw the more than type graph also. So first of all we are making the graph of the less than. So less than 30 is 0, less than 40 is 3. Now this the less than type, the table is given in this question. But if I want to convert in the more than type, so now first of all let's see. Now first of all let's see the difference between 30 and 40 is 2. So we can convert in the form is now we can convert in the class interval form. So this is a 36 to 38, for 38 to 40, 40 to 42, 42 to 44, 44 to 46, 46 to 48, 48 to 50, and the 50 to 52. So now we also can convert into the frequency. So if I want to convert in the frequency, so let's see. Now this is a frequency is now 0. So the difference is 3, 2, 4, 5, 14, 4, 3. So now this is the frequency. Now so we can also convert into the more than. So now the sum of n is the sum of f is the 35. So n by 2 is a 35 by 2. This is a 17.5. But now first of all discuss about in the graph. So let's see. I have drawn the less than type graph. So 30 for the less than 38 is a 4, less than 40. Sorry, let this less than 30 is 0, less than 40 is 3, less than 40 is 3, less than 42 is 5, less than 44 is 8, is 9, less than 46 is 14, less than 48 is a 28. So now similar to the I have drawn the more than graph. So at the more than, if I convert into the more than, so it is a more than 36, more than 38, more than 40, more than 42, more than 44, more than 46, more than 48. Now it is going on the similar to the less than type. Now first of all find the cumulative frequency. Now if I find the cumulative frequency according to this, less than 36 it is a 35. For less than 30 it is also 35. Less than 40 it is a 32. Now similarly I have drawn this graph. Now when the less than and the more than graph, less than more than ogive is intersect at a point. Now if draw the perpendicular from intersecting point, if draw the perpendicular on the intersecting point on a graph, then it is a intersecting point is a median. Now this intersecting point is a median. This intersecting point is a median. Now according to graph, I have drawn the perpendicular like this. So it is the middle of the 46 and the 48. So it is approximate to by graph. Median is approximate by the graph is 47. So m according to the formula, m is the L1 plus n by 2 minus c upon f into h. So L1. Now I have calculated the small n by 2 is 17.5. So 17.5 is lies in this interval 48 to 46 to 48. So the lower limit is the 46, n by 2 is 17.5. Now the cumulative frequency is the previous of the median class. So 14 upon f is 14. Now f is also 14, class interval is 2. So by the formula we get the 46.5. Now in the third question also draw the more than type distribution graph. So now first of all convert it into the more than type. So more than 50 it is 100, more than 55 is 98, more than 60 is a 90, more than 65 is a 78, more than 70 is a 54, more than 75 is a 16. So let's see. I have converted into the more than type. So draw the graph for the more than type. So it is a decreasing. Now let's see the more than 50. More than 50 it is a 100, means the maximum 100. More than 55 is a 98. More than 60 is 90. So more than 60 it is a 90. More than 65 is a 78. So more than 65 is a 78. More than 70 is a 54. So more than 70 it is a 54. More than 75 it is a 60. So I have drawn the less than Ojaib graph.